For this project, we're going to be using this cute dish jewelry stand thing that I found at the Dollar Tree. And we're going to be opening up our Cricut Design Space software and creating this decal right here. We're going to start off by opening our images tool, and into the search bar we're going to type in wreath. We're going to click search and then filter it down to just the free images. And we have 32 results, and I really like this wreath that I used. You can scroll through and look at the others if you'd like. Click on it, add to canvas. We're going to go ahead and move this over and adjust the size and make it just slightly bigger so it's easier to see. And now we're going to create the welcome text. We're going to click on the text tool and we're going to go ahead and type in welcome. We're going to change up the font by clicking on the top left where it says font. And I'm going to filter this down to just system. This will guarantee that all the fonts that I see in front of me are free and I don't have to pay for them. I'm going to search up Anthony Hunter, which is the font that I used for the previous decal. And I'm going to go ahead and adjust the size and make sure that it fits nicely in my wreath. I'm selecting both objects because I want to make sure it's aligned directly in the center. So I'm going to center it horizontally, click the align tool again, and then center it vertically. This is going to guarantee my text is right in the middle. Next step is to make sure that both of these objects are welded together, are unified so that when we cut it, it doesn't move around. We're going to click on attach, and you can tell that it attached together because everything in those two objects turned one color. And you can go ahead and check on the size, measure your material. So my dish is this size, it's slightly smaller, a little over 3 inches. And once you're done with your design, you're going to click make it and proceed through the cutting process. We're going to make sure that we're cutting on a mat. Forge has a variety of different mats for different kinds of materials that you are always welcome to use. And so you can go ahead and move these around your mat so that you can either save material, you can use it on material scrap, or maybe you just want to place it further apart. And then you're going to go ahead and start on the 3-step cutting process, which is set base material. The second step is load tools and materials, and then the third step is finally pressing go and cutting your decal. We'll be using sticker vinyl in the shade Gold Metallic, and we're going to let the Cricut Maker do its thing. Once your decal is cut, we're going to go ahead and cut around it so that we can save as much of the material as possible for future projects. And then we're going to do what we call weeding in the Forge Makerspace. We're just going to pull back all the extra vinyl that we don't need, revealing the decal within. Once we weed the bigger pieces, we're going to go in with our weeding tool and pull up any smaller pieces within our word welcome. Now that we are officially done weeding, we're going to transfer this on to our ceramic dish by using transfer paper. We're going to cut a small piece of transfer paper that fits perfectly over our decal and press down firmly right above our decal, and then go ahead and peel the backing off to reveal the back sticky part of our decal. If certain areas pull up, go ahead and press down firmly again, and then just make sure it's really on our transfer paper. Now it's where the magic happens. We're going to go ahead and place the decal directly on our dish. I like to start in one side or in the center and then kind of smooth it out towards the sides. And once we get it just how we like it, you go ahead and press down firmly and make sure that the decal sticks on there very well, and then peel off that transfer paper. If there's any little bubbles left behind, go ahead and use your finger to press down firmly and make sure that it all looks very nice. And then you're done. You have this beautiful welcome sign that you can display in your home or gift to someone special.